record. This is gonna be a few minutes, but
What size are that?
so these are 275 going to a 3-inch and these 3-inch pipes, and then I have these corners, the 90 degree bend and 3 inches as well. So basically it's gonna go into there, and then we'll see from there. And then we're gonna, so this should be another corner, and then it'll go into the intake, which is the filter. So we got the filter here. We're using the Spectra, which is like 30 bucks at AutoZone, 40 bucks.
What size?
So this is like an 8-inch, and then this cups into a 3-inch right here. So we'll see from there. And then I already did one side, and so this is here, and then it connects to here. So basically it's running from here with the stock piping, cupped it into there, run a pipe, and then it goes down, and then it comes out from here into there. So it should look like this when it's finished. It should go into there. So right there. Okay? And so basically we have a pipe. So then what I did was I had cut this off right here. So I cut off the original piping for the intake housing. So I cut this off, and this is what it came out to be, this right here. And then I curved it into there. So let's do this. See, so we cut that off right there. So now we're gonna cut this side off right here as well to make it fit perfect. So almost there. Where's? There you go. Then we're gonna attach it to here, where it has the actual map sensor right here. So it'll be here, going to here, so there, attached into there. So it'll be like that, and then they'll run the pipe down there, right below, and then, so that should be good there. So we have that. Let's run this here. So we need the actual piping. Just there.
Show how's it look?
So it look like that. So the pipe, it just went in. So it's 275 going into a 3-inch piping with the copper. So we have that. Then we put the band over it, so we tighten it later on here, from there. And we're running it through this hole here. Should fit through there. But we'll see right now. So we got there, perfect fit to run there. And we're gonna run intake. Once we put the pipe in, so we're gonna run it through here. So once we run it out through here, it's gonna be like that. And then from there, we have the piping here, but I think we had to cut it. This 6-inch, I might have to cut it down a little bit to get to here. Once again, there, right there, and it'll be right there, or it might fit perfectly, I think. So let's see here to there. Oh yeah, see, it fits perfectly. So I guess there's no cutting involved. We just got to make sure we tighten it down from there to there.
And you're gonna
With
get
extra
some brackets here and here.
Get some extra there, and so we got there. Let me tighten it, and then I will show you how it sounds here in a bit. Put this here so it don't go showing everybody. Make sure the filter is tight on so it don't fall off when you're driving. So we got there. So we got there. So it's tight on. So it's tight. So it's tight fit. It's a tight fit. You gotta tighten up later on to make sure.
Put the map sensor back on.
We got the, yep. We got to put the map sensor back on. So we got there. Put it on. Bam. Tight, perfect fit. Got there. You gotta put this clip, which will. So this clip right here, you just got it on. You slide it on, and it will tighten up the piping. So let's see here, fit there. You gotta turn it, just twist it. Make sure it's on tight enough. Let me see, it's kind of difficult there. So make sure it's on. Got both ends. See, there we go. Tight. That's tight enough. All right, so I'm about to start it for y'all real quick. And here's the piece.
Go.
and that is how you install a 955 Cayenne. This is the V8, the S, non-turbo, and this is a cold air intake. For any of y'all want information on how to do it, just let me know. Hit me, like, and subscribe, okay? Have a good day. Thank you. So here we are. Want to do a quick. Gets a little battery gas response. There's really no lag. I don't feel any lag on here with the thing. I'm about to hit a stop sign in a moment, so then we'll be able to do from a stop, and we'll see that how it goes there. Let's see. I'm about to hit a stop in a second. This guy gets so let's see. So the stop sign is coming right now. And let's see, how does this go here? And let's see. So I'm first with there. Responsive, and I didn't feel any lag, even though with the added big tires, the mud tires. First it was kind of a little slower, but with the air intake I feel maybe another 20 horsepower. I'm assuming. I mean, I don't really know, but I felt a lot of pullback. The little seat dyno, butt dyno. But yeah. Alright, well anyways, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, so